Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 44. Часть 1. Страница 96-97. English Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 44. Part number 1. Page number 96-97. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 96. Grammarland. The verb to be, past simple, affirmative. Глагол to be, прошедшее простое время, утвердительная форма. I was really scared. He, she, it was very thirsty. We, you, they were very tired. There was a car in the street last night. There were 2 boys in the garden yesterday. Глагол to be и past simple. Обычно мы используем формы глагола to be в past simple, чтобы рассказать о событиях, которые случились в прошлом. В этом случае мы используем такие указатели времени, как yesterday, then, ago и так далее. I was really tired yesterday. Я устал вчера. I was sad. You were sad. He was sad. She was sad. It was sad. Was I sad? Оборот. There was, there were. Мы используем оборот there was, there were для того, чтобы сказать, что нечто произошло или не произошло в прошлом. There was a red car outside the bank. Около банка стояла красная машина. Сейчас ее нет. There were 3 men outside the restaurant. Около ресторана стояли 3 мужчин. Сейчас их там нет. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look, read and complete the text. Посмотри, прочитай и закончи текст. The answer. Number 1 was, number 2 was, number 3 was, number 4 were, number 5 was. Last Sunday, Danny was in his room. He was on his bed. His dog Spot was on the carpet next to the bed. Danny's computer games were on his desk. There was a cartoon on TV. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Put the sentences into the past. Поставь предложение в прошедшее время. Now, I am at school. We're at cinema. George is ill. She is very angry. They're late. It's windy. She is hungry. They are at home. past simple yesterday. I was at school. We were at the cinema. George was ill. She was very angry. They were late. It was windy. She was hungry. They were at home. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Which picture? Listen and choose, then say. There were 2 cars outside the bank. Какая картинка? Послушай и выбери, затем скажи. Picture A. I was opposite the bank at 10 o'clock. There were 2 cars outside. There was a man in the black car. There was a boy on the blue bike. There was a big red lorry, too. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 97. Exercise number 4. Look and complete. Was, were. Посмотри и закончи. Was или were? The answer. Was, were. This is little town 100 years ago. There was a butcher's and there was a baker's. There was a restaurant too. There were a lot of small shops in little town. It was very quiet. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Look at the pictures and put a tick or a cross. Посмотри на картинки и поставь галочку или крестик. 50 years ago, there was a park, there was a hotel, there was a cafe, there was a restaurant. 50 years ago, the answer. Number 1, yes. Number 2, no. Number 3, yes. Number 4, no. Now, there is a toy shop. There is a baker's. There is a school. There is a cinema. Now, сейчас. The answer. Number 1, yes. Number 2, no. Number 3, no. Number 4, yes. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.